Now today we will study about the neutralization reaction which we have last time we studied about the reaction. Now we will study about the application of the neutralization reaction. First of all, whenever we suffered from the constipation in our stomach trouble and all, the doctor prescribed but first is the antacids. And the antacids are containing the base which is going to neutralize the acid in our stomach. As soon as we feeling some constipation or the sour vomiting and all, we doctor diagnose us on the basis of that acidity has been formed in our stomach. और एसिड होने के क्या करते हैं हम लोग लाइट हाइड्रोक्साइड मीन्स ये वीक हाइड्रोक्साइड हम लोग यूज करते हैं कौन सा एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड और मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड यूज करते हैं फॉर एंड दिस आर कॉल्ड एंटासिड्स फिनिश calcium hydroxide used to neutralize acidic nature of the soil. Yes, when the farmer found कभी भी फार्मर को देख रहा है अब फील्ड में वो क्रॉप वगैरह नहीं ग्रो हो रहा है बिकॉज ऑफ द एसिड रेन एंड ऑल नाउ इज द टाइम फॉर द पोल्यूशन एंड ऑल so lot of soils are becoming acidic by character. What happens, the farmer are advised to take what they take calcium hydroxide which is usually a good base. This is a good base. It extract all the protons ions from the soil converting to them water. Finish. Second point also finish. Means base I am using in the soil to remove acid because soil has to be neutral. If the soil is too much basic, no plantation, no crop can be grow. If it is too much acidic, it is also harmful. So it has to maintain a very balance. So those are nothing but the neutralizing acidic property of the soil. Now the third is there. In the chemical laboratories also sometimes if they find that so many unwanted acid has been as a remnant उन लोग के पास में बच जाते हैं those who are not utilizing and they cannot just go and throw in the sewage and all. So what they do, they add the base and neutralize the acid and ultimately the water will go to the river or the ponds or seas and all. Next come insect bite. See what happens. There are certain insects in life like the mosquitoes and all, mosquito, bee and all which usually bite and sting our skin. So what they do in the process, formic acid used to go. Formic acid is nothing but the formula, chemical formula is this one of a formic acid. So this is the proton, so this is formic acid. So what the ant, bees, then mosquito, when they inject, formic acid goes in a spoon. Ultimately what we do, we bring calcium hydroxide, chuna, then we apply it there. That is calcium hydroxide is not the slave point. We wipe it and the inflammation means वो जलना वो बंद हो जाएगा. तो हमारा insect bite में भी ये neutralization reaction use होगा. Last one we apply tooth. Yes, very important. We brush in every morning with a toothpaste. Why? You know that? Because toothpaste containing of base. Mild weak base. But why do we need to brush? Because in our teeth, whenever we take the food or the junk food or homemade food or any of the fruits and all, it contains acid, it stick to our teeth. Whenever we brush with a toothpaste, means the base is applying to the teeth to stop it from decay. वो टूटने से और cavities development, cavities बनने में वो रोक देता है. That's why we brush with a toothpaste because it contains hydroxide. Acid present in our tooth always most of the time when we take fruits and all. So उसको neutralization करके हमारा use होता है. You pause it and copy all these particular notes and this will be, they might ask you for 1 and 2 marks or they might ask you in the MCQ and short question also. If you like my channel, please subscribe it and copy it and post it, share it with your friends and all. And follow me in the Facebook also. I'm going to upload in the Facebook also later after few days. And now you follow in the YouTube my channel. Okay, till then, goodbye. Thank you.